Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another topic for all of you. This one is going to be person in your mind reading, but friendship edition. So this is not going to be a love reading. This is specifically going to be for your friends, friend circles, whether estranged or, in contact, whatever, whoever you're thinking about in terms of your friends. Okay. So this is something which is very unique. I've never done this before in my, YouTube journey. I've done love readings, person in your mind, love readings and all of that, career readings, examination readings, but I've never done a friendship reading. So I thought, why not to do it today? Unique topic, new to me, new to you. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Not necessarily if you are, having a friend right now or you had it in the past. Any kind of a friend circle, friendship that you are in contact with, not in contact with, will make sense. So person in your mind reading. So who are you thinking about? It will be a group also, group of people or a singular person also. This will be helpful, right? So this is going to be a pick a pile reading. Yes, before I go ahead, please do like, save, share this video if this resonated. Let me know what you want to watch next. I'm seeing a lot of requests, and whatever I feel like doing, I'll pick it up. And yeah, let me know if this resonated. Watch the full video. Let me know what made sense, what you think is happening in your life. I would love to read your comments, and subscribe to my channel. So many of you haven't subscribed. I need that support. I need that energy exchange. So please do that and hype this video as many times as you can. And lastly, if you want to book a personal session, you can always do so. I have all the information in the description box below, so you can check it out. And let's go ahead. I have two piles in front of me. One is a rhodonite, okay, and one is a sunstone. Look at the two piles carefully. Choose one, pick one, whatever resonates. Whatever is intuitively feeling called to you. Maybe the color, maybe the shape, maybe what's in it. All right, let's get into it. All right, if you've chosen pile number 1, which is the rhodonite, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what is it that the person in your mind is thinking about. This is specifically for friendships and friend circles and platonic bonds, right? So right at the bat, you guys, people who have chosen pile number 1, are having some troubles with your skin. Rashes, I can see some hyperpigmentation, some problems with regards to your hemoglobin, and some vitamin D also. You might be having some patchy skin, okay, rashes, as I mentioned already, lot of scratches around you, maybe mosquito bites. Some of you might be having, dengue or malaria or something like that. If it is, please do take care of yourself and get well soon. Some of you are having sudden eyesight problems or headaches as well. You might be completely out of touch with the stars or the moon. Like you're not seeing the night sky at all. Maybe there's a lot of pollution in the place that you're staying, but there is no, like you've not been stargazing or moon gazing since the longest time. I think you should. Okay, stargazing, moon gazing is not happening. There are certain things that you're dealing with in your life where you're not able to really forgive easily. Like there maybe the person that you are around, or people around that you are people that are around you, you're not able to forgive them easily. Maybe they've done some mistake, or maybe they have messed up, and you are understanding where they're coming from, and you have that sympathy for them that maybe they messed up, but you're not really able to forget it. You're not able to forgive them either. There is a place where you're feeling like, I want to take some kind of a revenge, or I want them to understand what they did to me. So there is an energy where that forgiveness is not coming to you very easily. Okay, some of you could be wearing pink, white, black, orange, red and white, okay, and brown as well, right? So this is what is happening in your pile 1. Extra additional information, if this doesn't resonate, that doesn't mean that this reading is not for you. Pile 1, if you chose pile 1 also, that is more than enough, right? So let's see what is the energies, what are the energies for your friends, friend circle, friendships, what's the zone that is in, and then we'll see whatever happens next. Okay, so lock in with me, pile number 1. Think about your friend or friend group, friend circle, people, friendships, childhood friends, whatever. Let's see. Okay, so pile number 1, people, now what I'm seeing is very clear and energies for you. I think that in the present situation, your friendship or your friends or whatever, you are going through this very weird kind of a shift. Okay, there is, it's not like spoken about, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं करी गई है इसके बारे में. It's not like a outspoken thing. but it's like still a feeling that both the parties are having ki there is some shift that has happened. There's some kind of a change in the friendship that has happened. It's not outspoken. Nobody has talked about it. Nobody has said that, do you think that this relationship or this friendship has changed a little bit? Nobody has spoken about it, but there is. Both the parties can feel it. You can also sense it. The other person can also sense it. जो closeness थी पहले, वो अभी नहीं है. The kind of closeness that you both had, you don't have it anymore. The kind of camaraderie, the kind of bond that you both would share, both matlab you and your friendship or you all would share, is not the same anymore. That disbalance, reasoning, I'll check out later, but that is what is happening in the present moment. Maybe you're thinking it's for the good, because somewhere now, I'll tell you what exactly happened. You all, see, let me say you both. If it is you all, then you all. If it is you both, then you both. You understand what I'm trying to say, okay? You and your friends had a very interesting bond where both of you knew each other's bad parts, you knew each other's not so good sides, and yet still dealt with it. You both would see each other's not so good sides. You would see each other's red flags, basically, and you would not call it out. Vice versa. They would also see yours and you would also see theirs. And you would be like, oh, it's okay. Sab mein kuch na kuch kharabi hoti hai. And it's okay. Maybe one person had, let me check actually, what was that red flag? Maybe one person was not very responsive in friendships. One person was a little too neglectful. Maybe one person would put more efforts and the other person wouldn't put a lot of efforts. Maybe one person's gestures or the way to enhance the friendship was a lot of like help, lot of dedication, everyday checking in. For the other person, it was like, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करनी है, ठीक है, once in a while call, once in a while hang out. It's okay, as long as that connection is there, ज़्यादा involvement करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That maybe that could be there. One person was maybe more outgoing, more outspoken, ज़्यादा बोलते थे. एक person थोड़ा शांत रहते थे. तो ऐसा होता था friendship में where both of you would kind of ignore each other's not so good sides. One person was a little ढीला in a friendship. ज़्यादा ढीले थे. अगर if something is being told to them in confidence, say suppose you are telling them in confidence, उनके पेट में बात पचती नहीं थी. They would tell around other people and you will understand कि यार इसने ना कहीं लोगों को बताया. Or there was a sense of some kind of a fakeness also that this person would have. कि मतलब कुछ reputation, somewhere this person really was, say suppose your school friends. तो school में वो ज़्यादा ही overacting करते थे, या college में कुछ ज़्यादा ही that basically the behavior would change, but you would not mind it. That is what used to happen in your friendship in the past, whatever. You would not mind it because genuinely आपको लगता था कि यार दिल से अच्छे हैं. You would feel यार from the heart this person is साफ, this person is pure hearted from the heart. And in the past now you would understand कि okay, maybe this person has their own things to deal with. Maybe इनका upbringing ही ऐसी है. Maybe इन्होंने life में कुछ अच्छे friendships देखे नहीं है, जो भी है, X, Y, Z, जो भी है. And you kind of understood that that energy of theirs. And vice versa. They also understood your red flags. Maybe you also had some problems. But what happened is now, slowly and steadily, as both of you started experiencing life, or maybe just there was a shift where you are like, you know what? I'm not going to ignore the real red problems. ठीक है, some people have some issues, blah blah blah, but at places where genuinely this person is not being a good friend, जहाँ पे genuinely this person is being neglectful of the friendship, मैं इसको क्यों handle करूँ? Again, कोई fight नहीं हुई है. There's no fight that has happened. In the present energies also, I don't see any kind of a big brawl or big fight. But there have been places where the connection has just loosened up. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आप एक पर्सन को एनर्जी देते हो, ज़्यादा देते हो, इट्स ओके, आप देते हो, ज़्यादा देते हो, ज़्यादा देते हो, ज़्यादा देते हो, फिर एक टाइम पे ना वो ज़्यादा एनर्जी ऐसे हो जाती है कि द अदर पर्सन स्टार्ट्स एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट ज़्यादा एनर्जी. तो वो ऐसा हो जाता है कि अब विदाउट फेल यू आर पुटिंग दैट एनर्जी एंड द अदर पर्सन इज एंटाइटल्ड टुवर्ड्स इट. तो वो ऐसा सिचुएशन आ गया है कि इन द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन यू आर जस्ट लाइक यार व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस फ्रेंडशिप इज दैट A, we are not feeling that connected anymore. B, this person is not even interested in taking that connection forward. So it's okay, I'll let go. So आपने भी इस फ्रेंडशिप को let go कर दिया है, I would say. You also let this friendship be like, चलो ठीक है, जहाँ जा रहा है ये रिलेशनशिप जा रहा है, I'm not going to control it. देखो पहले क्या होता था ना कि you would see if there is no communication, you would reach out. यार बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं करी है, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, tell me what's happening, or we have not hung out for a very long time, what's going on. अब ऐसा हो गया कि यार नहीं बात हुई है, कोई बात नहीं, जब होगी तब होगी, मैं अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट नहीं करूंगा. मे बी दैट्स द जोन. Okay, and it could be vice versa. See, this is a general reading, so it could be you on the other side also, and this person on this side. So make of it what you will. Okay, Point is that there is some kind of a barren energy, dryness आ गई है in friendship में. Is it something that you are ashamed of or regretful? Not necessarily, not really. You're not ashamed of it, and I do believe that it's okay. I think what is the point of the reading is कि आप जिस तरह की फ्रेंडशिप रखते थे इस पर्सन के साथ या अपने दोस्तों के साथ जो भी है, वो उस सर्कमस्टांस में, उस सिचुएशन में मेक सेंस करती थी. अब आई थिंक आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई है. अब आई थिंक न्यू एनर्जीज हैव कम इनटू योर लाइफ. मे बी यू हैव गॉटन इनटू रिलेशनशिप, मे बी यू गॉटन इनटू न्यू वर्क प्लेस, मे बी यू गॉटन इनटू न्यू कॉलेज, मे बी यू गॉटन इनटू न्यू सिटी, मे बी यू गॉटन इनटू न्यू एनवायरमेंट, and now you don't feel the need to entertain that energy anymore because you have other things to deal with. Simple as that. You are having other things in your plate. So when a friendship is just alive without any efforts, you are like, listen, I don't have any kind of bandwidth to provide that kind of a space for that friendship. So if it is barren, so let it be barren. अगर इस friendship को जागरूक होना पड़ेगा वापस तो हो जाएगा. So again, I'm not going to say there is any active kind of a negativity in this friendship or there's actively like some kind of a like some kind of gossip mongering, and ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Also, one more thing I will say is that in the past na, in this friendship somewhere you also used to feel slightly claustrophobic. आप एक्चुअली थोड़ा डर डर के रहते थे इस फ्रेंडशिप में. आप ज़्यादा खुल के बात नहीं कर सकते थे. मे बी बिकॉज अदर पर्सन विल मिसअंडरस्टैंड यू, और मे बी देयर वाज दिस काइंड ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ रेपुटेशन दैट यू हैड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस पर्सन कि nahi, I don't want to come in this person's good books, bad books. Maybe you were yourself a little lonely and you didn't want to kind of, be against one only friend जो आपके पास है. हो सकता है सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं जहाँ पे आप नहीं बोल सकते, नहीं खुल सकते किसी के साथ सामने. वो फ्रेंडशिप में आप चाहे जितने क्लोज हो, जितने भी बेस्ट फ्रेंडशिप हो जाए, यू आर नॉट एबल टू बी योर सेल्फ, एंड दैट वाज द केस. यू आर नॉट रियली एबल टू काइंड ऑफ स्पीक योर माइंड and find that freedom. There was always this kind of a nervousness that you would be having. Maybe one person was more controlling, जो भी है, जो भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. अब in this present moment now, this kind of a space, this kind of a distancing has sort of also giving you a little bit of freedom. Freedom भी आई है आपको. ये जो फ्रेंडशिप में थोड़ा दरार आ गई है, it has also led you a little free so that now you can actually be a little by yourself, and आपको वो एक expectations के accordingly नहीं काम करना होगा. See, I'm just being intuitive, so just understand what I'm trying to say. So certain places you were bounded in that energy, in that friendship. Now here you're finding that kind of a breaking of shackles. Which is again, for you it's a good thing, maybe not for the friendship, because friendship थोड़ी टूटी हुई है. टूटी नहीं बोलूंगी, but there's definitely been that loosened up energy. कि पहले बहुत ही like magnet की तरह चिपके हुए थे, अब थोड़ा loosening out of the friendship is also there. That's the first thing. Second thing is, a lot of times in the friendship in the past, there were circumstances where you acted also the way you weren't. In this friendship ना, you used to behave very differently. आपकी जो असलियत है और इस फ्रेंड के साथ या इन फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ चेंज होती थी. You were not yourself when you were in this friendship. You were very different. You were very changed kind of a person. आपका बिहेवियर, आपका एटीट्यूड बहुत ही चेंज होता था. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसे भी लगता है कि आप इस फ्रेंड को एक पेडिस्टल पे रखते थे. You used to look at this friend as a pedestal. Maybe you were looking at this person as, oh my god, I want to be like this person. I love the kind of person this is. Vice versa भी हो सकता है. बट एक्चुअली दिस पर्सन वॉज वेरी डेट्रीमेंटल फॉर यू. उनके जो हैबिट्स थे, उनकी जो लाइफस्टाइल थी, उनकी जो बात करने के तरीके थे, उनके जो ओपिनियंस थे, उनका जो इंटेलेक्ट था, वो काफ़ी डेट्रीमेंटल था आपके लिए. Honestly, I'm saying. So maybe you used to look up to him or her. You had this kind of a feeling कि whenever I'm with this person, I want to be a certain way, and वहाँ पे थोड़ा fakeness भी आ जाता था. So in this present situation ना, like while there is a distancing, there's also some kind of authenticity that you've gotten back. So somewhere that authenticity that was missing in a friendship is coming back into you. Or maybe that kind of a feeling कि यार I want to be like this person is now shattered, and you're like, यार ये तो बेवकूफ़ी था, मैं ही इसको इतना ऊपर रखती थी. दिस पर्सन वॉज अ लूजर ओनली. अब मुझे रियलाइज हो रहा है कि जब आपकी लाइफ की सर्कमस्टांसेस चेंज हो गई है ना, तो आपको थोड़ा आपका दिमाग खुल गया है. इन दैट फ्रेंडशिप आपकी पूरी दुनिया वो फ्रेंडशिप थी. आई थिंक दैट इन दैट फ्रेंडशिप योर एंटायर वर्ल्ड एंड सर्कल वुड लाइक काइंड ऑफ रिवॉल्व अराउंड दिस फ्रेंडशिप. नाउ व्हेन यू काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस न्यू थिंग्स, दिस कुड बी लाइक अ पास्ट थिंग है ना, 6-7 महीने, 1 year, 2 year thing. Now that you're experiencing new things, you're stepping into a new phase of your life, you're experiencing some kind of a nice new energies, maybe an arrival of a new friend also. Now you're kind of realizing that all these expectations and illusions that I had about this friendship was just me glazing this friendship. It was just me kind of hyper, obsessed with this friendship. इतना कुछ था नहीं जितना मैं बना रही थी या बना रहा था, जो भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. So that is what is happening. At times you really used to feel that this friendship that was there आपको बहकाती थी कि आपको बहकावे में डालती थी. You would be told to go in a negative path or in a wrong path, and you would feel like this is for my good. So the friendships or friend circle used to tell you that this is the right thing to do, this is the right step to go to, and you would be like, हाँ, if you are saying it is correct, but it was the wrong direction, but you believe that this is right. वो एक गलत दिशा में आपको लेके जाते थे, लेकिन आपको believe होता था that this is the right direction. In the present situation, you are the one who is deciding what direction that you need to go to. Do you understanding? So again, there was a lot of like codependency that I see in the past. Right now, that shackle is breaking, and thus the friendship is also deteriorating. So that only goes to show that the friendship's genuine foundation wasn't a mutual connection. It was this codependency that used to be having. There was this kind of a there was this kind of an energy where two people who are not really being friends from heart, but being friends from the outside. That is the energy that I'm getting. Don't feel bad about it. ठीक है, don't feel bad about it. And अगर आप इसको ऐसे लोगे कि यार this is not happening at all, then maybe this is not for you. So some readings are very general and आपको छोड़ देना चाहिए, है ना? So now what is happening is, in the future now, what I see is that there will still this train will always be there. This friendships strain matlab like this kind of a space, this kind of a awkwardness will always be there. ठीक है, this friendship will always be very like cut to cut बात करोगे आप. Okay, how is going? It's not like you're going to be best friends forever, no, but it's also not going to be like your enemies forever. It's going to be like acquaintance / little bit of close friendships. 3 circles होते हैं हमारे friendships में. 3 circles होते हैं. एक होता है extreme kind of best friend or close friend, not even best friend, like close, almost family types, जहाँ पे 2-3 लोग होते हैं. One is your partner, one is your maybe family, and one friend that you can literally tell everything to, your deepest darkest secrets. अगर आपने किसी का खून कर दिया तो to bury the body, this person will come and help you. Okay, that's the first circle. Second circle is extra friends that you have. हाँ, आपके close friends, best friends, my friends since childhood, ये सब इसमें आ जाते हैं. और एक एक्स्ट्रा एडिशनल वो लेयर होती है, एक सर्कल होता है, दैट इज अक्वेंटेंसेस, कि भाई इसको नाम से जानती हूँ मैं, वी हैव नॉट शेयर्ड अ लॉट बट वी शेयर अ लाफ एंड ऑल. So this person is coming into the third circle. From first circle maybe, from second circle maybe, this person is coming to the third circle. Last circle is by I don't know this person is a stranger to me or enemies for me. This is not coming in the fourth circle. This is coming in the third circle. You're understanding? So point is that in the future, I see both of you will talk cut to cut, all of you, whatever, you will talk cut to cut. पते की बात होगी. Whatever is like here and there, maybe little bit here and there, kind of sharing memes and sharing reels and replying to each other's stories, but it'll be like an idealistic friendship. जैसे होती ना, ज़्यादा भी पैली नहीं होना है, ज़्यादा भी पर्सनल बात नहीं करनी है, बट बिल्कुल ही ऐसे नहीं बात करनी कि भाई वी आर स्ट्रेंजर्स एंड वी आर नॉट इवन नोइंग अबाउट वेयर अबाउट्स. वंस इन अ ब्लू मून कॉल, फ्रेंड क्या बोलते हैं, बर्थडेज एंड एनिवर्सरीज एंड ऑल पे कॉल, right? Somewhere here and there, if something happens, then call. That's it, right? And which will be suitable for both the parties. It will be very idealistic for both the parties. See, I don't see a lot of communication happening, but I also don't see bad communication happening. I just see neutral to moderate communication, which is absolutely in lieu of the friendship. Not too much, not too less. That is what I can see in the future for you. Okay, let's see more. Okay, now that this is done. Actually, I want to take out more cards. I do believe that this person in the current energies is like slightly backhanded with their relationship with you. Like they will say that, yeah, the kind of relationship bonds I shared with this person was good, but it's like, but मुझे पता था कि this person will act like this only. Like that is what they're thinking. कि कहीं ना कहीं वो बोलते हैं कि हाँ ये friendship तो अच्छी थी, this person is very important to my life, in my life बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन यार this person couldn't keep up with my emotions, या ये person थोड़ा selfish हो गया, और ये person बहुत ही ज़्यादा emotionally fragile है, आपके बारे में बात हो रही है, या vice versa भी, या ये person बहुत ही ज़्यादा emotionally unbalanced है, या this person is not up to my level, मेरे level के नहीं है ये. तो their opinion of you is slightly like backhanded. Like, हाँ, this person was very important in my life, but this person was not good enough for me. That kind of an energy, okay? Somewhere this person also has some kind of a, I don't know if I should say this, but this person has a very wrong perception of you. वो शायद misjudge कर रहे हैं या misunderstand कर रहे हैं आपके situation को. उनको लग रहा है कि आपने शायद उनको manipulate करा है, या आपने कुछ ऐसे कुछ बुरा बोल दिया है, that उनको ठेस पहुंची है basically. They felt bad about certain things that you said or you did. Maybe they are thinking that you are not as emotional about certain things. Maybe they are very emotional about things and they feel bad about it कि या तुम समझे नहीं मुझे जब मुझे समझना था. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Okay, let's see more. I do believe that in the future, if you want this friendship to maintain in a good level, आप दोनों को बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी in this friendship. Almost like trying to perfect each and every crevices that is there, which is again very difficult because both of you will be very busy in your own lives. तो मुझे थोड़ा impossible लग रहा है that this friendship can come back into the same wavelength as it was before, because first of all, both of you will have to go back to the foundations of this friendship. So you literally have to give this friendship a second chance. Both of you, equally. First point. Second point, if both of you will have to ensure that the effort is equal, not even 51-49, 50-50. Like it has to be completely dedicated. कहीं ना कहीं there is more communication that is expected in this friendship. आप सिर्फ इसको एक as a friendship in the corner नहीं रख सकते हो. You cannot keep the friendship in a corner and be like, okay, this will flourish and it will grow automatically. No, it will not. You'll have to really put that kind of a, communication energy in. You will have to, send messages every day. You can call every day. You can talk every day. You'll have to set aside a little bit of time to provide into this friendship. So in order for this friendship to actually get back to how it was, if you do want it, it's not impossible. You can work towards it. It's okay. But it is going to take a lot. Like you'll have to really ensure that every single thing that you're doing in this friendship is being firstly mutually involved with, like दोनों mutually effort कर रहे हैं. And two, it has been worked at the base foundation and in a perfect manner. So everything that you're doing in this friendship has to be completely like right boxes have to be ticked in order for this friendship to sustain in life. You have to like speak well for each other. You have to stand up for each other. You have to be loyal to each other. You have to be dedicated to each other. You have to talk to each other. Do you have the bandwidth for all of this? Because a friendship like this will require efforts of another level. So that is what is happening. Okay. Now let's get more guidance. Okay. Let's see what else is happening in this friendship. सो दिस इज लाइक अ जिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. अब हम चेक करेंगे कि और क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिलनी चाहिए इस फ्रेंडशिप्स के बारे में, इस फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में. I do believe that in this friendship now there was some kind of competition. There's the competitive spirit that I can see here. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ एक competition था. One person was always trying to like one up the other. There was this kind of a weird sense of competition. I would not say jealousy. It would say, why is this person getting what I want kind of an energy? Maybe from their side and not maybe from yours. Yeah. Anything more? Yeah, this person now was very moody also. I think that this friendship now had a little bit of moodiness in it, where one person was like, you don't know when this person would kind of burst out. You wouldn't know what kind of mood this person is in. And it was always like you had to deal with this friend as a, like, in a way where it was very, like, you don't know what to expect. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि this person will be very calm, very quiet and very relaxed. And at one point of time, this person is becoming like a fire energy. I do believe that in order for you also now in friendships, for like in general, I'll tell you, in order for you to have good friends in life, you will have to be very perfect in terms of who you are as a person. Like you will have to maintain yourself, you have to be calm and you have to be patient and you'll be relaxed. You cannot be hyper fluctuating and expecting friends to understand you either. If you yourself are disbalanced, I'm not saying that you have to be perfect. What I'm trying to say is that आपको भी थोड़ा सा patience maintain करना पड़ेगा, आपको भी थोड़ा understanding रखनी पड़ेगी, which I'm sure you have, but I'm just saying that you also have to be able to warm up to other people for other people to warm up to you. Do you get it? Yeah. Let's see more. Let's see from here. What else is the guidance about this friendship, please? This friendship, can you tell me? Pile 1 for this friendship. Yeah, you know what this friendship actually does? You should try to ensure that this friendship flourishes a little bit, at least from your side. I don't think that there is anything that you're going to be at loss for if you do have a conversation about it. But just a conversation kar lo about this friendship, about where it is heading, what you feel about it, what is your truest feeling about this friendship, because ultimately it's not about who is right and who is wrong. It's about whether this friendship deserves a second chance. And even if it doesn't deserve a second chance, at least be able to have your honest communication as to, yeah, there's some kind of a distance that has happened. What do you think? What do you also feel it? Is there something that you also are thinking about, or is it just my mind that is telling me? So there is supposed to be some kind of a clarity and some kind of a closure that you should be getting in this friendship. You don't have to get back. It's not like you have to always get back or be able to like be, best friends and besties all together. It's not supposed to always be like that, but just be able to kind of have a mature conversation and be able to like walk this path of a change together. At least that you can give in this friendship. That kind of respect you can give in this friendship, right? What else? As I said, like getting back into the basics is very important. Remember, I told you, I've got the energy of quill, and I'll show you one more card that I saw. Writing of a quill, right? That's why I said communication, any kind of a conversation. And quill kahan pe use karte ho? Jab aap khat likhte ho, right? So before pens, there were quills. So literally going back to the foundations of what communication is truly what communication truly means, right? Communication is literally like talking from scratch every day. Kaisa chal raha hai? How is your day? How is this going? How is that going? You cannot like get all the information of the entire life in like one single conversation. Ki batao kya chal raha hai tumhare life mein. You have to really put that kind of a genuine effort. So as I said, like this friendship can resurrect, but you have to literally give it a 2.0 energy. Ki yaar, we are starting with 2.0 from the scratch. Like that is the energy that I'm seeing for you. Okay, I do believe that maybe you can give flowers to this friend. If you want to kind of re-interact, randomly giving flowers to this person, sending in flowers to this person is not a bad idea. I do believe that you both deserve, at least like, since say suppose you guys are both mature, you both deserve to be able to find a sense of comfort within each other. The reason I'm saying that is because at one point of time there was a friendship or there was this kind of a connection that you had. जो भी है XYZ जो energy थी तो आप उसकी respect करते. Even if you don't want to talk together, if you don't want to be together, whatever, if you don't want to have a conversation, at least end it on a good note is what I'm trying to say. Okay? Anything else? I do believe that this person is definitely unable to control you anymore. I think that energy is very, very strong here. Kahin na kahin, maybe because of the anger or because of the impatience, you used to feel like, nahi, I have to act according to them. They were very chidchida, बहुत जल्दी irritate हो जाते थे, तो आपको लगता था कि भाई नहीं चिड़चिड़ नहीं करना चाहिए, चिड़चिड़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. अब you're like, I don't care. Like, हो जा कर ले. I don't care. I'm not going to entertain you. So I do believe that there were places where this person was really like trying to control with regards to their moods, and you all would have to be like walking on eggshells around it, or you had to walk on eggshells around it, but not anymore. You don't feel the need to kind of do that anymore. And this person now would do a lot of damage. Like, say suppose they would be upset about certain things. They would say certain things in anger, and they would say a lot of bad things, and you would just be like, oh my god, I can't believe you said that. And then they would realize what they have said out of anger, and then they would regret it, or they would not even regret it. Actually, they would be like, हाँ मैंने बोला है तो ऐसे, right? So somewhere they also were people who were very, very impulsive or very angry with things that would not go in accordance with them. All right, so let's see more. What else is the guidance? Happiness काफी बार आ रहा है. Happiness. Maybe there is something in store for you. Okay, say suppose, just as an example, if you both do work on this friendship, if that effort comes out, is there going to be a happy ending in this friendship? Is there going to be a friendship that is going to come back? Because I'm getting a happiness energy a lot. Okay. Can you give me a proper answer for this? Yeah, Hanged Man with the 3 of Cups. I mean, yes, in a way, yeah. I do believe that, see, again, I will say that happiness will be there, but not the way it was before. Sacrifice आपको कहीं ना कहीं maintain करना पड़ेगा. देखो, कुछ भी आप, say suppose आप कुछ तोड़ते हो. Say suppose you have a piece of paper, okay? You crumple it, and you get it back. The crumples will still be there. The kind of, the marks will still be there of the crumpled paper. The paper will be working fine. The friendship will be working fine. But that kind of a little bit of a, that thing now, that will always be there. That kind of a little bit of a hiccup will always be there, right? But okay, you can find that happiness back. It's not like that. You will be able to at least feel like, yeah, मैंने तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करी, and you will not have any regrets, or you will not have any guilt, which is a good thing. Okay, let's see more from here also. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What is the guidance? Remember, any kind of a friendship, if it is broken now, getting back into it, it'll take a lot of like sooj booj and dimag. I don't feel like somewhere right now, I don't know, maybe right now, starting afresh can be very hard, because I think you have changed very much. The way you were and the way you are, you have changed a lot. Maybe the friend has changed a lot, and it's just like two very different people, living a very different life. Both of the individuals having very different perceptions of life. So it has definitely like kind of changed in a way where you don't think that now you can be that person and this person can be that person. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये फ्रेंडशिप में ना ऐसा लग गया कि ठीक है, we can be friends together, blah blah blah, but we have inherently changed a lot. We have matured up, maybe, or maybe there has been different experiences. Maybe our lifestyle has changed. Maybe our everything has changed. हमारी चाल ढाल, हमारा सोच, हमारा दिमाग, हमारी our naivety, our innocence, everything has changed. So again, like I don't necessarily see anything that is inherently a bad thing in this friendship. It's like two individuals just changing, right? I do believe that in the past, I honestly feel like there was a sense of competition, as I already told you, and a sense of like a saying good things to the other person, but in a way where it would feel very like mujhe bhi chahiye kind of an energy, right? So say suppose for example, say suppose you got married, okay, just as an example I'm giving you. This person will be like, oh my god, you got a boy for yourself, yeah, even I want, right? आपकी खुशी में अपने आप को क्यों घुसाना है? आपकी खुशी में खुद like if you're doing something good in life, say suppose you got X amount of money, or you got a trip to go to, यार you're so lucky, यार मेरे parents मुझे invite ही नहीं करते. I know it's harmless. See, you don't have to think too much about it. It's harmless. I understand. But there is a sense of like putting yourself in other people's good things, right? Say suppose if other person is involving, if say suppose you are having a party, okay, like at home or whatever, yaar, you are having a party, I wish you would play my songs. See, this is a very important thing, huh? Say suppose you are having a birthday. Oh, you're having a birthday, you're getting a chocolate cake. Yeah, I don't like chocolate cake, you should have gotten a red velvet. It's not your birthday. Why do you care? Do you get it? अपने आप को घुसाने की कोशिश करना दूसरों की खुशी में, ये होता था. So that is also, and it was again, you would not think too much about it. You're like, okay, if you want a red velvet cake, I'll get it for you. But what is happening is that somebody is trying to steal your thunder. Somebody is trying to push their own. 1 second. Yeah, so as I was saying, that this energy was very common, कि अपने आप को involve करना in other people's happinesses from their side, okay? So again, in the present situation, if I look at this energy even more minutely, it's like even if there is a friendship, it is out of convenience. It is the fact that we have been together for so long, we know each other for so long, or we have seen ups and downs together. It's like a convenient thing. Convenience के हिसाब से हो रहा है. Both of you guys are very successful in your personal lives. I think that both of you are doing things for yourself. You both, like both the individuals and both the parties are thriving in the way they are. आपको लगता है कि आप thrive करो, उनको लगता है वो thrive कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? And there's not a specific need of this person anymore in your life. Like, I don't see that this person is requiring you in their life, and you are also not requiring them in your life. It's just like, yeah, we are happy without you. I'm happy without you. But if you want to come, it's okay. But it's not like I need you. It's not like I'm desperate for you. Maybe this was an energy that was not there before, right? पहले होता था कि कोडिपेंडेंसी में, ऐसे बोला. अभी इंडिपेंडेंट है, दोनों इंडिविजुअल्स, दोनों फ्रेंड्स इंडिपेंडेंट है एक दूसरे से. There's no feeling of, I need you kind of an energy, which is also, again, as I said, freeing for the both of you, okay? Yeah, in the future, I don't think that there's going to be like an organic way of coming back. I think there could be a requirement or an involvement of somebody else to kind of set you both together. That could be there. या कुछ ऐसा कुछ circumstance हो जाएगा जहाँ पे आप दोनों को एक साथ बात करनी पड़ेगी, या आपको अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा दूसरे पर्सन को, दूसरे पर्सन को आपको अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा. कुछ एक एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर होगा जिसकी वजह से both of you will start talking. There will be an external trigger that will ensure that both of you start talking. It could be from your side, it could be from the other person's side. Maybe there could be some kind of a wedding, engagement of a mutual friend, or there could be some kind of a travel that you might do in this person's hometown, this person's coming to your hometown, whatever. So something external is controlling the fate of this friendship. Do you get it? Something extrinsic to the two people is being controlled or is being triggered to ensure that this friendship or this person comes back into your life or is able to resurrect, okay? And I do believe that there is a very big possibility that initially you can have a little bit of an argument as well, that you did this, we had this fallout, or there was this conversation, and it can be a little straining. Initially it will be slightly like, oh, okay, things are not looking really good. But over time, I do believe that once you're able to actually mature up and talk very properly, I do believe that things will be okay. Okay. Last in kind of goodbye messages here. I do believe that you never were aware of what was happening in this friendship. मुझे लगता है कि अब जाके आप aware हुए हो कि exactly what is happening. You know, I don't know if you will feel like this, but say suppose even now, if you do have a conversation with this person, you will feel very drained. You will feel like your body is actually like needing a lot of rest. Whenever there's a conversation, you don't feel like talking actually itna with this person. Every time you talk to this person, it's very heavy. It's a very heavy kind of a conversation. It feels like you are being dragged into this conversation. It feels like there's a literal body that is sucked out from you while having this conversation. So a lot of times your body would give you signals. You'll see that symbols and signals in your body that is telling you, yeah, this person is very heavy, very heavy, very heavy. Yet you would kind of hold on to this friendship because of the sake of it. But suddenly you started listening to your body. You started listening to who you are. You started listening to your... Also somewhere this person would... I don't know if this makes sense, okay? But let me know. This person kind of triggered your inner child also. Ki maybe in your childhood you would see somebody emulating or aping the same kind of personality that this friend is having. So whenever this person would speak, this friend would speak, आपको ना ऐसा लगता था कि यार my inner child is getting triggered. Maybe this person was very cranky, angry kind of a person, maybe like your father. Maybe this person was very aloof and unaware and completely nonchalant, maybe like your mother. Could be anything, huh? Maybe like your brother, maybe like your anybody. So whenever you would be around this person, maybe that was also there. Like there were some kind of an issue that you would have as an inner child that made you stick into this friendship a lot, you know. So there was this kind of a sort of like a psychological thing here as well. I don't know if this makes sense, but there was. And there was this kind of a feeling where inner child, you know, being wounded, plus with this kind of a little bit of a toxic energy, wanting to attach yourself to it because there is some kind of void that you feel within, and this person maybe would fill it, etc., etc. That kind of vibe is what I'm getting, okay? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Interesting. Did you guys break up? I mean, not break up, but did you guys fall apart in winter time? In winter season? Did you guys have a fallout during winter season? Let me know. Oh my god, Rhodonite. Rhodonite. Oh my god, that's so nice. Maybe that's a sign that you all should get a Rhodonite. Rhodonite crystal leke aao. Wow, yeah. The energy of forgiveness is what Rhodonite talks about. The energy of compassion, the energy of kindness. Maybe this kindness is towards yourself more than the other person. Interesting. I would really recommend the people who are watching pile 1 to please plant a tree. I don't know, randomly, just plant a tree. Be a plant mom, maybe. Plant mom or plant father, whatever it is. Also, one more thing I want to add into this friendship is that initially maybe people warned you about this friend. Maybe there was this kind of a feeling where you got with regards to this friendship, which was like, you know, this person is not a good company, or you felt like this person was a little bit of a before meeting this person, but you ignored it. You didn't care enough about it. And then when you kind of started interacting with this person, you started realizing that, okay, this is the reason why you have that kind of a reputation. And you kind of felt that kind of a, you know, behavioral change with this person. Maybe initially that they were very nice to you, you know, they were not the way people would talk about, and you would be like, this person is different, you know, this person is not the way other people are describing them. And then slowly this person's real self started to come. This person started controlling you, and you had this kind of a weird dynamic with them. And before it got too hectic for you, you decided to quit this friendship, or you decided to distance, or you decided to move away, which was the right decision maybe, right? So maybe there was this energy also in the friendship. Yeah. So that is what it is, guys. I hope I was able to help you. I hope that this friendship actually sustains whatever ups and downs it is going through. And I hope that you're able to find that kind of peace and tranquility in this time period. Let me know if this resonated. I don't think it will resonate to a lot of people. But if it does, then please, I need to know. Okay, tell me the details without mentioning any names. And yeah, I wish you all the very best. Please like, save, share this video if you want to, if this made sense. Share it to your friends. Share to the person that you're talking about this friend, and let me know if this made sense. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please subscribe, and hype this video as many times as you can. And yes, if you want to book a personal session with me about this friend, about anything else, you can do so. All the information is in the description box below, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye. All right, if you've chosen pile number 2, which is the Sunstone, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what is it that is going on in your friendship, in your friend circles, in your platonic bonds. So this is going to be a person in your mind tarot reading for your friends, right? So right off the bat, people who have chosen pile 2, are you guys into medical biology research? Anything of that sorts? Let me know. Some of you are finally started to do things that gives you pleasure. You guys are genuinely trying to put that kind of effort into doing things that you like, that you admire, that you enjoy. Some of you have recently witnessed something that has changed the way you had been thinking. There has been a transformative shift in terms of your opinions, in terms of your mindset, in terms of your thought process. Okay. And it has been a very rude awakening. Okay. Some of you have a very prominent mole on your face. Very prominent, like how I have on my lips, like yours. Okay. Some of you are very disconnected with your father recently, or having a lot of toxic relations with your father, or you're having fights and arguments with your father or father figure. Okay. That could be there. Yeah, that's about it. That's what I see. Some of you have recently had a very, okay, I don't know if this makes sense, but some of you now suddenly are started to feel like you don't feel like eating anymore. There's a weird kind of relationship that you're having with food where you feel disconnected with food. It's, I don't know how to say it, but nothing appetizes you anymore. Nothing is tasty anymore. You don't know what to eat. Sometimes you are very indecisive with what you want to eat. It almost it makes you feel like, is eating even important? I don't know. There's a very weird relation that you're not feeling hungry. So please get that checked. Appetite thoda decrease ho raha hai, ya just don't feel like eating anything. Kuch bhi agar aap khate ho, nothing is delicious, no matter what your favorite food is. Even if it is like, say suppose momo or whatever. Wo maza nahi raha somewhere. It's just like, it doesn't taste, it doesn't hit anymore the same way. Some of you could be wearing off-white, white, red, pink, light pink, maroon, blue, green, and turquoise. Okay. So that is what this reading is going to be about. This is just additional information. If you've also chosen pile 2, that is also fine. You don't have to freak out too much about this extra additional information. If it doesn't resonate, that doesn't mean that this reading is not for you. Okay. So now let's see what is going on in your friend circle, friendships, friend bonds. Okay. Person in your mind tarot reading for friendships. Okay. So let's see. Let me take out the cards. So let's lock in pile 2, pile number 2, Sunstone people. Sunstone people, let's see. What is happening? Okay. Okay, so in the past, okay. In the past, in this friendship, there has been a bad betrayal. There has been some kind of a secret that has been kept hidden from you, or you have kept hidden from them. And कुछ ना कुछ एक ऐसा situation आया है in the past in your friendships जहाँ पे genuinely betrayal has happened. Genuinely चाकू घोपना किसी के back के अंदर. There has been an emotional withdrawal in this friendship. Okay, 2-3 things I want to say. First and foremost, in this friendship, there was never ever that kind of an emotional heart-to-heart conversation that you would have. You guys would rarely even hug. Okay, there was not that kind of a, oh my god, we're besties and we're gonna hold hands and we're gonna move around. No, nothing of that sort. Even if it is a friend and a guy friend and a girlfriend, there was not a lot of like physical intimacy. It was a friendship that was very intellectual. I think both of you were very intelligent people. You both had very like high intellect. Both of you had it could be a friend group also. All of you and both of you used to connect on very intellectual things. You would rarely ever talk bad about other people. You would not bitch. You would not gossip. You would not be interested in gossip mongering and talking bad ill about each other. But there has been a very significant, like genuinely betrayal of something that was very important for the friendship. For एक friendship के लिए कुछ चीज़ें बहुत important होती है. Loyalty important होती है. Friendships मतलब care important होता है. Dedication important होता है. और वो एक base foundation break हुआ है in the past. It is not necessarily about betrayal only. It could very well be like sometimes what happens is that you try to um, take a decision on behalf of the other person, right? Sometimes you take away a person's autonomy. And there has been something that has been like, दूसरों को लगेगा कि यार ये क्या है, इस बात पे आप लड़ाई कर रहे हो, बट आपके लिए बहुत बुरा लगा है आपको. Do you get it? Like for other people it would be like, यार इतनी छोटी सी बात है, just ignore it ना. But for you are like, नहीं यार, this has been very bad. I don't think that there has been a fight, but there has been a disappointment in the friendship. Genuine disappointment I can see. Somewhere I feel like you were also left alone when you were at a very low point. This person was not around you when you were going through a low phase. I feel like this friendship now, whenever there is any kind of an emotional conversation, emotions की अगर बात होती है तो ये friendship थोड़ी सी ऐसी हो जाती है कि you will feel like I have other people to talk to. So this friendship now, when it comes to emotional understandings, is not that equipped. This person would not know how to talk to you when you're upset, will not understand how you are when you're upset. Like this person will not have the resources. This person would just be like, what do I do? Like, can you just get better? So this person had that little bit of lack of empathy, I would say. Little bit, na? And उनकी गलती नहीं है. कभी कुछ लोग होते हैं ऐसे. Somewhere I feel like there was this kind of a आपको purposefully इस friendship से distance करना पड़ा. In person का कुछ था ऐसा situation, or this person was a little too cutthroat, or maybe little too intellectual. You didn't feel a kind of warmth from this person, and you did feel like, what, this person is a little too up their own, they're up their own self. मतलब they try to toot their own horn, अपनी खुद की बातें करते रहते हैं ये. And you just felt like, what, there's no point in me in their life because I don't think that they need me anymore. ऐसे लगता था in the past. आपको ऐसे feeling थी. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो जेन्युइनली एक इतनी क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप थी. देयर वाज नॉट अ रियली क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप. आई थिंक इट वाज अ ओके फ्रेंडशिप ओनली, एंड यू पर्पसली डिस्टेंस योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम इट. पास से ही ऐसे सिचुएशन आ रखी है, लाइक पहले से ही ये सिचुएशन ऐसी थी. ओके, कैन आई गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस? I think there has been some kind of something that has been kept hidden from you. In the past, something was kept hidden from you. Something was not revealed to you for the longest time. कुछ ऐसी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज थी जो आपको बताई नहीं जा रही थी. बहुत टाइम से आपको एक अंधेरे में रखा गया था. There was, since the longest time, somebody was pretending in front of you. This friend was pretending with you. This person was not being the real self, or there was something that was very important about you that was being hidden from you, that was not being told to you. Maybe something that was pertaining you. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी और के बारे में आपको कुछ बताया नहीं. Something that mattered to you, something that was important for you to know, was not being told to you for the longest time. So you were very upset, disappointed. When you came to know that this is the situation, this is what is happening, you were very, very disappointed. Okay? Is it about a relationship? Is there something that has to do with a partner or relationship that has ruined this friendship? Let me know. कुछ क्या love life की वजह से ruin हुआ है ये friendship? Let me know, okay? Okay, so in the past, I do believe that this friendship, this friendship like genuinely had that kind of a intellectual, I would say. Both of you, I think both the individuals now were very sure of each other. Both the individuals, you and your friendship, both of you were very sure of who you are. You were decisive. You all were very righteous in your own dynamic. So you never expected this behavior from this person. You thought that, yeah, you know me, I will be able to handle certain things very properly. Why can't you tell me what the reality is? कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. I have a feeling that there's something to do with love here. There has to be something of a relationship breaking up friendship breaking up because of a relationship. I definitely feel like there has been some kind of a exposing of a secret, or not revealing a important thing to you. There has been something like some secretive energy is coming in, some revelation of sorts is coming in, some disappointment is coming in. ऐसी वाली energy दिख रही है मुझे. I need actually some more information, so I want to take out these cards. Okay, I actually need more information. Can you tell me what has happened in the past? In the past, okay, in the past. Okay, is there a possibility that maybe the friend that you had reconciled with their toxic ex and they didn't tell you? Is it something like that? Or is it that you were reconciling with your ex that the other person did not like, and that's why there is a breaking of friendship? Is there a situation where either of you were dating somebody that either of you did not like, and because of that the friendship had broken? Let me know. Confirm this with me, okay? There is some kind of a relationship involvement here. कोई love life के related है ये situation. Okay? Maybe there was some kind of a delay in this friendship. Something was getting delayed. Maybe you were expecting this person to give you some money back. Maybe there were some financial issues in this friendship and you trusted this person. Maybe this person did some ghapla with money. Maybe they scammed you. Maybe this person, kind of, oh, this could be a possibility where this person went to a friend that they would bitch about and you were disappointed with their behavior. You were like, यार इसके बारे में तुम तो गंदी बातें करते हो या करते थे, and now you're back with this person. There could be a possibility like that also. Maybe somebody who is toxic for them and who you were like, you know what, I don't want you to be around this friend. Now they are only hanging around with this friend. ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Maybe vice versa. Maybe you are doing that and they're disappointed in you. तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ डिले था इस फ्रेंडशिप में. Like there was some kind of answer that you were wanting from this person and you're not getting it. You know, maybe you were expecting that this person would own up to their mistakes or just be accountable for certain things and you're just like, yaar, what are you doing? Like, why are you not responsive? Maybe communication nahi tha. Like maybe you were texting this person and this person was not replying for the longest time. And you were like, why are you not like picking my phone, not calling me? You're saying that you're busy, you're so busy, but you're not messaging me. Suddenly this happened. Maybe this person started hanging out with another people more than you did. And this has happened in the past. ये past में हुआ है, ठीक है? अभी नहीं, past में हुआ है ये. ठीक है? ऐसे भी हो रहा है. You might have seen that since this person came into your life, now a lot of unlucky things happened in your life. Since this person came into your life, you had some kind of a big fall, or you had a lot of fights with your family, or you had some kind of career downfalls. Any time this person was in your life, na kuch bad news hota tha aapke sath. This person would come and bring a lot of bad luck in your life. Blocked chakra energy. Something was blocking in this friendship. It was not as pure as you would expect it to be. Honestly. Wow, my cards helped me here. Right. तो ऐसा तो हुआ है situation. In the present moment ना, I think that you're trying to hold this friendship or you're trying to control this friendship too much. छोड़ दो इस फ्रेंडशिप को. Like in the present situation, I think बहुत ज़्यादा बात हो रही है इसके बारे में, बहुत ज़्यादा सोच विचार हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, you are talking about this friendship constantly to every single person in the world. You know, मेरे फ्रेंडशिप में ये हुआ था, यार मैं रात को भी इसके बारे में सोचा जा रहा है कि यार ये ऐसा हुआ था. काफ़ी सोचना हो रहा है इसके बारे में. You're trying to kind of maybe even in your mind, because of that overthinking, it's almost like you're trying to shift narratives also. आप narratives को भी maybe narratives को भी compromise करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. Narratives को भी change करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो in the present situation. अभी के time पे you guys are not talking. You guys are very strained. I think in the present moment you are fighting. I don't think that in the present moment is any kind of a reconciliation that is happening. In the present moment you are having very like maybe a fought also. आपने fight भी करा है. Maybe आपके साथ बहुत like strained energy दिख रही है मुझे. In the present situation, I see that both the individuals are just trying to ensure that they are right. मैं correct हूँ. Fight हुई है, काफ़ी time ऐसा भी हुआ है कि यार this person is just very stupid. Maybe there has been some kind of a bad words that have also been said to each other. कि you did this, you did that, you are a this, you are a that. Breaking of friendship दिख रही है मुझे in the present situation. I think the things have been broken up. You guys have broken up. Again, there is this ego clash that has happened. काफी ego clash मुझे दिख रहा है. In the current situation, there has been a lot of ego clash in the present situation. And it's all verbal. Like, आप एक दूसरे की बहुत बेइज्जती कर रहे हो verbally. Maybe there's also like bad mouthing about each other. Yeah. So this breaking up has happened in the past, which has actually been a reason now where both of you are really talking very badly about each other. बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी बातें कहे जा रहे हो. Maybe आप नहीं कर रहे हो, but the other person is 100% doing it. Or maybe you're overthinking it and आप जाके सबसे बात कर रहे हो about this friendship, about this and that. And you are literally trying to, you know, give yourself some peace. Maybe आप अपने आप को peace देने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि maybe you are the one who's kind of feeling a little regretful, है ना? तो आप शायद उसको explanation के माध्यम से you're trying to give yourself a little bit of peace of mind. But it's not happening. Both of the individuals are trying to control the narratives. Both the individuals are trying to say that I was right, I was wronged and I was right. मेरे साथ बुरा करा गया था एंड मैं करेक्ट हूँ. ये वाली एनर्जी. ओके, व्हाट एल्स इज हैपनिंग इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट? आई डू बिलीव दैट yes, there is a definite friendship breaking apart, but I don't think that either of you are very upset about it. Both of you think that it's the other person's loss. दूसरी की गलती है. The other person has missed out. मैंने कोई मिस आउट नहीं करा है. मेरे पास तो है लोग. The other person has missed out. Ego has come in. Somewhere I will also say that maybe you or maybe the other person is trying to also say that, you know what, if this friendship ended, it's okay. I'll only cherish the good times. I'll only cherish the good things, good vibes that were there in the friendship. It's okay. Friendship breakup हो गया, it's okay. I'll only look at the good times. ऐसा भी हो सकता है in the present situation. I necessarily don't see that there has been any kind of a reconciliation happening in this friendship अभी के time पे तो. In the future, let's see, but अभी के time पे तो I don't think so. And you're sort of okay with this kind of strain also. It's okay. Like, you're not very upset about it either. You're trying to look at other friends. Either of you are trying to look at other friends. Either of you are trying to find friendships in other people. It's not the same anymore, I would say. But yeah, you're trying to, like, this person was not a tier 1 friend either. This person was there. चलो ठीक था, ये person था, लेकिन आपके पास दूसरे friends थे या हैं. एंड उसके पास भी हैं, उनके पास भी दूसरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर लाइक ओ माय गॉड आई एम नथिंग विदाउट दिस पर्सन. ऐसा नहीं है. समवेयर ना बोथ ऑफ यू आर हैविंग दिस नरेटिव राइट नाउ दैट यार आई वाज विशिंग दिस पर्सन वेल. ये नरेटिव है इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट ना. बोथ ऑफ यू आर सेइंग दैट यार दिस पर्सन didn't recognize the love that I have for the person, and it's their loss. उसका loss है. ऐसा वाली एनर्जी है. Both of you have this narrative that भाई I तो was always supportive of this person. I तो was always there for this person. मैं तो हमेशा अच्छा ही सोचता था इसके बारे में. मैं तो अच्छा ही समझता था इसके बारे में. इस person ने गलत चीज समझ ली, या this person kind of messed it up, whatever. It's like, you know that in the present situation it's a difficult zone to be in, but you have accepted it. So there's some kind of an acceptance that I can see. It's not like that bad. I don't think that you're missing and you're like, oh my god, I really want this person back into my life. ऐसी मुझे एनर्जी दिख नहीं रही है, honestly speaking, in the present situation. Even if there has been, like, say, suppose if there has been any kind of a delay, right? As I told you, maybe this person took your money, did not repay it, or maybe like took some clothes of yours, didn't send them back. Maybe आपको कुछ borrow किया होगा या लिया होगा कुछ. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि they have stolen something from you. Yeah, there could also be a possibility that in the past some kind of a stealing kind of thing has happened and you caught it. You caught it and you're like, oh my god, I can't believe that this person has done that. Something like that can also happen. कि यार I can't believe that this person stole something from me. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. In this present situation, you've let it go. तूने ले लिया ना पैसे, तूने सब कुछ ले लिया ना, ठीक है चल मैं छोड़ दे रही हूँ या छोड़ दे रहा हूँ, तू रख अपने पास. ऐसा वाला एनर्जी हो गया कि you're like यार I don't care. Like you are like yeah I'm gonna clear it off me. मैं जितना सोचूंगा ना मेरा और दिमाग खराब होगा इसके बारे में. So it's okay. Something still feels incomplete. I'm not going to say that everything is perfect, but something still feels incomplete. That friendship definitely has left a void in you. And in the present situation, it does feel incomplete. But it's not like you are like completely to बिखरे हुए without them. है ना? You're still trying to regain that balance. You're still trying to kind of move on with your life. I know धक्का तो लगा है इस friendship में, but you're still trying to kind of get your feet back together. You're still trying to kind of, find new friendships, find a way to fulfill their void. Say suppose अगर आप इस person के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर जाते थे, trips पे जाते थे, so now you're started to go to trips with your friends, family, loved ones. Maybe this person you would go a lot with cafes too, and you would like maybe party a lot with this person. You would like really go out with this person. Now you're starting to find new people. You're interacting with new energies, new entities, etc., etc. This friend that you have could be having their name starting with SRTUAMNDKLP. वापस बोलूंगी, जो आपका फ्रेंड है उनका नाम, देयर नेम, द फ्रेंड दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कुड बी हैविंग देयर नेम SRTUAMNDKLP. Okay, that is what is in the current situation. Now in the future, two three things can happen. Okay, so I'm going to say whatever I'm seeing. One is that maybe this friendship will have a reconciliation. Maybe there will be in the future, there will be a kind of a regaining of this friendship that will happen. Two, you will start afresh in your life and this friend will let go. It will completely like move on. You have move on wali energy. Okay, you'll start afresh in this friendship. Three, you can find some kind of a closure into this friendship that you'll end in a good note, but then you'll move on. So mix that you will be able to have a communication with each other, but you'll realize that you know what, we're not good for each other. So let's move on. So either you come back completely, or you completely detach, or you come back for a little bit of period of time, have your conversation, have your closure, and then move on. So there could be any of these three situations happening. Let's see exactly what is happening. Exactly भी देखेंगे ना. Let's see exactly what can happen. Okay. No. What is happening? I think that you are moving on from this friendship. Okay. I don't think that there's any reconciliation. I think you are starting afresh. I think, and the reason I'm saying that if you guys do come back together, things have gotten so downhill that if you do come back together, it will almost be again the same thing over and over again. It's like both the individuals are so like, accepting of their own narratives. I'm not saying you are right and they are wrong, or they are right and you're wrong. Both of you have your narratives, but you both have had such an deep communication about, or not deep communication, but have so much of भराव, इतना भरा हुआ है ना आपके अंदर कि आप like fire ही निकलेगी, आग ही निकलेगी एक दूसरे के साथ. Like there is not going to be some kind of a fire extinguisher. आगे निकलेगी पूरे सिचुएशन में, आई थिंक यू विल मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दिस फ्रेंडशिप. ये फ्रेंडशिप ना आप मूव ऑन करने वाले हो इस फ्रेंडशिप से, एंड इट्स ओके. सो इन द फ्यूचर आई डोंट सी एनी काइंड ऑफ रिकंसिलिएशन कमिंग इन दैट लेवल. ओके, फ्रेंडशिप का रिकंसिलिएशन बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. So yes, see why I'm saying is because both of you will not take accountability from this friendship. Both of you, neither you nor this person will take accountability of this friendship. You will not self-love. Ace of Cups, self-love energy dekh rahi hai, not other person coming into your life, right? Yes, past choices resurface. This is very important. देखो क्या होता है ना, in the future, if you don't see the other person changing their ways ना, then you will not be like, I want to get back into this friendship. अगर आपको genuinely लगता है कि यार this person has changed, has behaved better, has been able to improve themselves, then you will be like, you know what, maybe I can rechange my past choices. Maybe I can, remember I told you, because you are the one who maybe has distanced yourself from this person. So point is ki maybe you will be like, you know what, maybe I need to rectify my choice. But it's not happening like that. This person A is not taking responsibility, is not taking accountability for their bad things or for their good things. Maybe they're saying ki, yeah, you are wrong, you first take accountability, I'm not wrong, like that kind of an energy. And you're also not taking accountability for it. You're also saying that, hey, मैं correct था. Point is that, first point. Second point is कि अगर आपको change दिखता तो आप ले लेते. You would have been like, ठीक है, maybe it was my mistake, I'll change, it's okay, I'm not egoistic. So you would have been like, it's okay. But you didn't see any change in this person, or you're not seeing any change, or you will not see any change also. You will still see that ego kind of an energy in them. You'll still see that kind of a attitude, कि मैं कोई effort नहीं करूँगी या मैं कोई effort नहीं करूँगा. वो attitude आपको अभी भी दिख रहा है उनके अंदर. So Ace of Cups here is determining and telling me that self-love energy is more important. Here where you are saying कि भाई मेरे को जो ठीक लगे तो मैं करूँगा. What if it is right for me, I'll do it. If it is not right for me, I'll not do it. And I don't think that you are going to entertain this energy anymore because you genuinely feel like you don't deserve this. And I think that Ace of Cups is telling me that you'll move on from this friendship and you'll develop into either more love for yourself, more like being accountable for your own energies. Right? Not for what you did, what you didn't do. It's like अभी के लिए मैं अपने life में accountability लूँगा कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. So I am seeing that. Okay, I'm sensing that kind of an energy. Okay, let's see more. Let's see what else is happening in this friendship. So in the past also, I feel like there was always this kind of a suspended energy. Maybe one person would say that this person is my best friend, but the other person would never say that this person is their best friend. आप बोलते थे शायद ये मेरा best friend है. Other person would say कि I don't know, like we are kind of friends. हमेशा कभी ऐसा लगता था कि you're hanging on for this person. This person was never going to give you, कुछ clear नहीं करते थे ये. Hanging for an answer. It used to make you feel like, maybe this person is thinking that इनके साथ घूमना, इनके साथ रहना is like a very privileged thing. So they were very entitled about their intelligence, about their beauty. इनको लगता था मैं इतना सुंदर हूँ, इतनी सुंदर हूँ, तो मेरे साथ अगर कोई hang out करेगा तो उनको तो बहुत ही मतलब they should deserve my time. That kind of an energy also I'm getting. So you definitely felt like this in the past, like you were not able to, again, आपको ऐसे feel होता था कि कहीं पे भी कहीं कोई भी situation पे आप expand नहीं हो पा रहे हो. आप you're not able to like grow in this friendship in the past. Okay, anything else? Yeah, in the present moment, I do believe that you are talking a lot. Either of you are talking a lot about this person to other people. बहुत दूसरों से बात हुई जा रही है इस situation में. दूसरों के बारे में explanation, conversation, blah, 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 blah. You're trying to think about this from a mature level. I think right now you both are also trying to think about it in a mature level कि अच्छा ठीक है मैंने भी गलत करा था कुछ, शायद उधर से भी कुछ गलत हुआ था. लेकिन ऐसा situation आ गई है ना कि अभी in the present moment you're just like, even if I did wrong or he did wrong or she did wrong, whatever, it's too late. वो वाली energy है. And in the future, I do believe that you will have to really like देखो in the future now, if you try to reconcile, it's not recommended, but even if you do, you will have to take accountability that you didn't even do. You will be blamed for things that you didn't do. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Then you say yes. You will be blamed fully. You will be blamed for everything. जो आपने नहीं भी करा उसके लिए भी blame होगा आपको. जो दूसरे ने करा वो भी आप पे ऊपर blame करेंगे. And this person now will say sorry like this. I am sorry if you felt like this. It's not going to be I'm sorry for my behavior, I'm sorry for my actions. No, I'm sorry that you felt like this. तो आपको वैसे ही पता है कि ये नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सन है, नहीं मत करो इनके साथ फ्रेंडशिप बैक, ठीक है. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस पर्सन ना इन द फ्यूचर, इफ दिस पर्सन यू डिसाइड टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद दिस पर्सन, आपको काफी ज्यादा मतलब यू विल फील वेरी you will feel very helpless because this person is not taking accountability. You are having to handle this friendship by your own self, and there are no resources for you to deal with this person. So it almost feel like a burden in this friendship. You will feel very burdensome. So I hope you understand that sometimes some friendships are good that they eradicate. Do you get it? So that is what is happening. Let's see extra additional information that you need to know. Anything more that you need to know? Any kind of an additional information that you need to know? Okay, I don't know if I should say that. If you were, okay, if there was a friendship with the opposite sex, okay, so if you're a girl watching, and if you're a friend with a boy, there was a big mistake that you did in your friendship that ruined this friendship. Now, understand what I'm trying to say about the mistake. Mistake is like things got more than friend. ठीक है? अगर आप opposite या same sex भी हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. May say suppose you and your friend, whoever it is, maybe, now this is a very maybe thing, maybe things kind of escalated in a level where it was like more than friends, and it just went downhill from there. It just went downhill from there. Just confirm with me this happened, okay? Just confirm with me if this has happened. You never felt, I mean, with this friendship now, right now, it feels like upsetting and all that. But in that time also, you felt very, like you had to put a lot of effort to be able to get their attention. ऐसा लगता था कि you are a monkey who is kind of dancing around, and this person's attention was very hard to catch. Very aloof kind of an energy this person was. And आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें करनी पड़ी थी in terms of like hanging out with this person, like sustaining friendships with this person was very hard. I think, right? So again, like it was not an easy friendship, I think. You know, you never felt this kind of the connection that you had for other people with other people. You never felt that kind of a connection with this friend. You were always thinking कि यार something is missing. The kind of friendship that you would see online, maybe the kind of friendships that you would see on social media, वो soulmate connection जो होता था ना, वो आपको कभी मिला नहीं in person के साथ. This person was very smart, this person was very intelligent, this person would help you out maybe, but this person was not the complete package. Just it was not that kind of a friendship. और कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी आपको लगता है कि even if I do get back with this person, वो जो मेरे को चाहिए ना, वो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा इस person के साथ. वो एक जो जेन्युइन सोलमेट सिस्टरली या ब्रदरली या सिस्टर ब्रदर जो भी है, वो जो बॉन्ड होता है ना फ्रेंडशिप का, जो एक बॉन्ड होता है, द ट्रू बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाली एनर्जी कभी आपको मिली नहीं है, कभी आपको मिली लाइफ में नहीं है. यू नॉट बीन एबल टू फाइंड अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर योर सेल्फ, विच इज रियली रियली सैड, एंड यू आर हंग्री फॉर इट. समवेयर आई फील लाइक in your life you were always alone. You didn't have friends, you did not have people around you to call yours, and maybe this person came into your life and you were like, you know what, maybe this person is mine, but you realize that it is not like that either. I am thinking maybe this is my best friend, but this person doesn't think that I am their best friend. It made you feel sad, so there was always this kind of a hunger of being able to feel how it is to be treated like a best friend, somebody who goes out for you, somebody who does things for you, somebody who actually takes that effort. But this person never did. It was always out of their convenience. So that's kind of sad, like आपको कभी वो फ्रेंडशिप मिली ही नहीं जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, कहीं ना कहीं आप अभी भी उस चीज़ को ढूंढ रहे हो, कहीं ना कहीं आप अभी भी उस चीज़ को लेकर आपको है वो void. You still have that kind of void within you. Did you break up in September? Did you have a fallout in September? Let me know. Or there's some kind of an energy that is going to happen in September. Upcoming September, timeless hai. Upcoming September, something major is going to happen. Just put it as a timer. September, wait for this friendship to, something is going to happen in this friendship. So be prepared for it. Or November, September या November में. September या November के time period में something is big is going to happen. Or you broke up during September and November time. That is what your prediction is. Maybe you were only friends with this person during the good times. Maybe during the hard times, as I told you, कोई hard times में ना this person never showed up. Only the good times, only in the fun enjoyment times this person showed up. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think that you should entertain this friendship anymore. I think you should take a break from this friendship. मुझे लगता है कि ये ना it's not really something that needs to be stimulated anymore. आपको एक step back लेना ही चाहिए. There is nothing in store that is left in this friendship, I would say. Maybe there has been something that has happened, like maybe both of you or some of you or all of you जो भी है have gone a trip. एक ट्रिप पे आप गए थे, वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फाइट हो गई, कुछ हो गया बहुत ही भयंकर, जिसकी वजह से वो पूरा फ्रेंडशिप टूट गया. Maybe when you had gone a trip or a vacation, something like a big fight has happened, कुछ हुआ है और आपको पसंद नहीं आया है उस टाइम में. Do you think that this person would make you feel bad for dressing up? Just tell me yes or no, okay? Kahin na kahin, whenever you would dress up, whenever you try to look good, this person would kind of give you backhanded compliments. You were never feeling very good when it came to how you looked. Maybe this person had insecurity about the way you looked as well. इतना क्यों सज धज रही हो, कहाँ जा रही हो, किसको पटा रही हो, like that, okay? You would feel like that, like not respecting the way you looked. Do you get it? There is a sense of a sense of escapism that used to be there in this friendship. Escapist energy दिख रही है मुझे. जब भी कुछ important बात होती थी या कोई important situation आती थी, this person was never to be seen. Whenever something, like whenever shit went down, something that you needed, in the toughest times, this person was not around you. You would see that. You would sense that kind of a disappearance. Suddenly, this person, when it was needed for this person to be around, this person would disappear completely, out of touch, out of mind, out of sight, kind of an energy. And you would really genuinely feel कि क्या ये friendship genuinely एक correct मुकाम पे बनी हुई है, या is it just there for the sake of it? And you know, somewhere you knew about it, but you kind of ignored it. Acceptance आपने accept कर लिया था इस friendship को. You accepted कि भाई ऐसा ही situation है, ये बदलने तो वाला है नहीं, it's fine. Until things went too bad for you and you realize that no, I don't think that I can still entertain this energy anymore. आपने एक टाइम आप aware थे इसके बारे में, आप starting से आपको पता था. You were never left under false pretense. You were always aware about this person's, behavior. But because of your loneliness, you kind of still entertained. You still kind of, sustained in this friendship. Anything else? Acceptance. क्या बोला मैंने आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था इस सिचुएशन को. और मे बी द एक्सेप्टेंस इज सेइंग कि एक्सेप्ट whatever is happening, accept what it is, it will bring you peace and move on. ये वाला भी एनर्जी है यहाँ पे कि एक्सेप्ट कर लो भाई, जो भी सिचुएशन है आपके लाइफ में, जो भी सिचुएशन है, जो भी आप डील कर रहे हो अभी इस फ्रेंडशिप में, आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो, बिकॉज इसके अलावा और कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू काइंड ऑफ मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दिस or accept what it is instead of trying to change anything, because it's not going to happen. It's not going to change in accordance to how you want it. So acceptance is the key here, what I would say, right? So yeah, pile number 2, this is what it was for you guys. I hope this made sense. I hope that this friendship that is going on, it gives you some kind of an answer for the questions that you had. If it didn't resonate, it's okay. Please don't let me know. अगर आपको resonate नहीं हुआ है, just move on. It's okay. मुझे बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि it obviously ना, if something is not resonating, it will make me feel bad कि अच्छा maybe I'm not a good tarot reader. If it resonated, let me know. If it didn't resonate, it's okay. Just skip it. Maybe this is not meant for you. It's okay. Skip it. So yes, guys, this is what it is for you. I hope that this actually helps you. Genuinely, I want this to make some kind of a, impact in your life. Like this reading should have an impact in your life. And yeah, if this made sense, then please do like, save, share this video if you want to. Comment what you want to watch next and let me know what resonated. Tell me the nitty-gritties, details of this friendship. क्या हुआ था, क्या नहीं हुआ था. मुझे जान के अच्छा लगेगा. And yes, definitely do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do that energy exchange. I would love it. And hide this video as many times as you can. And definitely, if you want to book a personal session with me, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. And I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.